Kiddy, Kiddy, go!
Hi friends! Welcome to Kiddy Kiddy Go. Today we're going on a color surprise hunt. Look at these magical eggs. Each one hides something amazing inside. Are you ready to play the Guess the Color challenge? Let's go! What color is this egg going to be? Is it red, blue, or green? Let's find out. 3, 2, 1, pop! It's red! And look, a juicy red apple. Can you say red? R-E-D, red. Good job! Here comes another egg. What color will it be this time? Let's guess together. Yay! It's yellow! And there's a cute duck inside. Ducks go quack quack. Can you say yellow? Y E L L O W. Yellow! Great job! Wow, this egg looks fast. What color could it be? Let's open it. Vroom vroom! It's blue, and it has a toy car inside. Can you say blue? B L U E. Blue! Awesome! This egg came hopping. What color could it be? It's green. Look, there's a frog. Frogs love jumping in green grass. Say green with me. G R E E N. Green. You're so smart. A bouncing egg just for you. What's the surprise color? Let's guess. Is it orange or purple? It's orange. Yum! An orange carrot. Orange is the color. Say orange with me. O-R-A-N-G-E. Great job. Ooh, a magic egg. Could it be purple or pink? It's purple. Wow, look, a purple unicorn. It's magical and fun. Purple is such a royal color. Say purple with me. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. You're awesome friends. You guessed all the colors. Amazing job, friends. Which surprise was your favorite? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kiddy Kiddy Go, and come back for more fun learning.